Welcome to my channel Beat the Math. I am Pavitra Munnaik. Today I need to discuss a theorem of complex number, theorem 1 of complex number. If you are new in this channel, please like, share and subscribe so that you can get notification whenever I will upload a new video. Theorem 1, in theorem 1 given, if Z belongs to C, C means set of complex number, then Z bar, again bar, you see Z bar is the conjugate of Z. You know Z bar is the conjugate of Z, conjugate of Z. In my previous video I have given idea about conjugate, and you learn in my previous video. Okay, Z bar, that is Z conjugate, again conjugate, Z conjugates conjugate is equal to Z. Let you take, let Z is equal to, here some 5 properties are given. Let Z is equal to A plus IB, A plus IB. Here given Z bar, Z bar means Z conjugate, conjugate of Z, otherwise you can say conjugate of Z. Conjugate means only I will change the sign of imaginary part. You see imaginary part sign is plus, I can change minus. Okay, again you see Z bar, conjugate of Z bar, conjugate of Z bar, that is Z bar again conjugate is equal to, you see here minus is given, again conjugate, that is A plus IB, which is equal to Z, which is equal to Z. That means Z bar conjugate is equal to Z. This is your first, this is your bit 1. Okay, again you see in bit 2 what is given, Z plus Z bar, Z plus Z bar. You see Z is equal to how much you have taken, you have taken Z is equal to A plus IB, and Z bar is equal to how much, that is plus A minus IB. Okay, and that means A plus IB plus A minus IB. If you add these two, you can get A plus IB plus A minus IB. You see plus IB minus IB we cancel out, that is 2A. 2A is what, you see 2 REZ, 2A is the 2, A means that is real Z, REZ which is real, which is real. Okay, this is your bit 2. Again you see bit 3, Z minus Z bar, Z minus Z bar, Z is equal to how much, A plus IB. Okay, minus Z bar, Z bar is equal to A minus IB. Okay, you see A plus IB minus A minus IB, that is A plus IB minus A, minus minus plus IB. Okay, plus A minus A will cancel out, that is 2IB. This is plus IB, this is plus IB, that is 2IB. 2IB, you see Z minus Z bar is equal to 2I imaginary Z. You see 2I, B is what, B is imaginary Z, that is IMZ, that is IMZ. IMZ, you see this is a imaginary number, an imaginary number, an imaginary number. Okay, pause the video, note it down. Now you see the fourth bit. Now you see the fourth bit. The fourth bit is given Z into Z bar. You see Z means A plus IB. Okay, Z bar is equal to how much, A minus IB. Z bar, that is conjugate of Z. Okay, if you multiply these two, you can get A into A minus IB plus IB into A minus IB. Okay, you see A into A square minus IAB, you write IAB plus IAB minus I square B square. You see I into I square, B into B square. You see minus IAB plus IAB will cancel out. That is A square minus I square B square. And you know the value of I square is equal to minus 1. Okay. The value of I square is equal to minus 1. So this is A square minus 1 B square. Okay, is equal to A square minus plus B square. Okay, that means Z bar, you see Z into Z bar is equal to A square plus B square. A square plus B square is equal to what? This is modulus of Z square. This is modulus of Z square. You know how to find the modulus. Z is equal to A plus IB. In my previous video I have discussed about this. Mod of Z is equal to root over A square plus B square. Okay, here you see only A square plus B square, that is mod of Z square is equal to A square plus B square. So Z into Z bar, that means Z into Z conjugate is equal to modulus of Z square. Okay, which is, you see, modulus of Z square, and therefore Z bar is real. This is real, and Z bar is real. Pause the video, note it down. You see in bit 5, REZ less or equal to mod Z and IMZ less or equal to Z. You see, let, this is question, this is bit 5. Okay, see, let Z is equal to X plus IY, you say. X is the real part, Y is the imaginary part. And that means you find modulus of Z, X square plus Y square root over. Okay. Modulus of Z square is equal to how much? X square plus Y square. Okay. You see, if you take X square, if you take only X square less or equal to X square plus Y square. Okay. That means this is X square is the what? A real part. That is REZ. X is equal to how much? X less or equal to X square less or equal to X square plus Y square. X less or equal to root over X square plus Y square. X is equal to what? X is equal to REZ. This is real Z. X is the real Z less or equal to, this is what? This is modulus of Z. You see, this is modulus of Z. Similarly, suppose you take Y square less or equal to X square plus Y square. Okay, Y square means if you Y is equal to how much? Y less or equal to X square plus Y square. X square plus Y square root over Y is equal to what? Imaginary part, that is IMZ. Less or equal to, this is mod Z. This is mod Z. So it is proved. Pause the video, note it down.